Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Openoffice Writer tutorial, how to add new page. Now if you want to add new page, you can click insert, go to manual break, and then will be show for insert break dialog box. And to add new page, you can use page break. We use style none and you can click OK. Now it will be create the new page break. I will create again, like I will click at this line and you can go to insert, click on manual break, and then you can click OK to add new page. Okay, that's it for a basic Openoffice Writer tutorial, how to add page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.